Welcome, explorers, to another journey where the known world ends and the mysteries of the deep begin. Today, we don't just dip our toes in the water, we plunge into the very heart of the abyss. The ocean's depths are a place where the rules of life are rewritten, where evolution takes on the role of an avant-garde artist, sculpting creatures and ecosystems that defy our understanding. This is Echoes from the Abyss, the untold secrets of the deep sea, an expedition into a world more alien than anything we've encountered in the far reaches of space. As we descend into the abyss, let your imagination drift with us. Picture the sunlight fading away, the water growing colder, the pressure mounting until we reach a place where life seems impossible, yet it thrives in the most extraordinary ways. Today, we'll uncover secrets that have been locked away in the darkness for millennia, delve into the lives of creatures that seem straight out of science fiction, and explore how this hidden world is intricately connected to our own. So sit back and prepare yourself for a journey into the unknown. Our journey begins in the Midnight Zone, a realm so deep that sunlight is just a memory. At around 1,000 meters below the surface, the ocean turns into a place where light cannot penetrate, where the pressure is over 100 times what we experience at sea level. It's a place that feels otherworldly, yet it's right here on our planet. In these crushing depths, life has found a way to not just survive, but to flourish. But what does life look like in such an unforgiving environment? Imagine a creature that could be a nightmare or a wonder, like the gulper eel with a mouth so enormous it can swallow prey almost as large as itself in one gulp. Its body, long and sinuous, is designed to move with minimal effort in this dense, high-pressure environment. And then there's the anglerfish, a predator that dangles a glowing lure in front of its mouth, attracting unsuspecting prey in the inky darkness. These creatures are not just survivors, they are masters of adaptation, living in a world where energy is scarce and competition is fierce. But the Midnight Zone is more than just a freak show of bizarre creatures. It's a testament to the resilience of life, to its ability to adapt and evolve in ways that challenge our understanding. The pressures here would crush most surface dwellers, yet these organisms have evolved to withstand and even thrive under such conditions. Their survival strategies are so unique that they could inform new technologies, from deep-sea exploration vehicles to advanced materials science. The lessons learned here might one day be applied to human space exploration or even help us develop new ways to live sustainably on Earth. As we descend further, we reach the Abyssal Plain, a region of the ocean floor that is one of the most remote and unexplored areas on our planet. This is Earth's final frontier, a place where the landscape is as barren as the surface of the moon, yet it covers more of our planet than all the continents combined. But don't let the apparent emptiness fool you. The Abyssal Plain is teeming with life, albeit in forms that are far removed from anything we know on the surface. Here, the temperature hovers just above freezing, and the pressure is so intense that only the hardiest organisms can survive. One such creature is the sea cucumber, which may seem humble, but it plays a crucial role in the deep-sea ecosystem. These slow-moving animals process the detritus that falls from the upper layers of the ocean, dead plankton, fish scales, and organic matter, turning it into nutrients that sustain the food web. Without these unsung heroes, the deep sea would be a barren wasteland. But the Abyssal Plain holds more than just strange creatures. It's also a graveyard for the remnants of human history. Shipwrecks, lost cities, and the debris of our industrial age lie preserved in the cold, still waters, untouched by time. These wrecks are not just relics, they are time capsules offering us a glimpse into the past. For example, the Titanic, resting over 2 miles beneath the surface, is slowly being consumed by iron-eating bacteria, a process that will eventually turn the ship into nothing more than a rust stain on the ocean floor. But for now, it stands as a monument to human ambition, hubris, and tragedy, preserved in the dark silence of the abyss. As we venture deeper into the abyss, we come across one of the most extraordinary environments on Earth, hydrothermal vents. These underwater geysers spew boiling water rich with minerals, creating an oasis of life in an otherwise barren landscape. Here, in total darkness at temperatures that would boil us alive and under pressures that would crush a human instantly, life not only exists, it thrives. Hydrothermal vents are home to some of the most unique ecosystems on the planet. Giant tube worms, clams and crabs live here, feeding on the chemosynthetic bacteria that convert the chemicals in the vent water into energy. This process, known as chemosynthesis, is fundamentally different from the photosynthesis that powers most life on Earth. It's a reminder that life can find a way, even in the most extreme conditions. The discovery of these ecosystems has profound implications for our understanding of life. It suggests that life could exist in other extreme environments, such as the subsurface oceans on Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus. These discoveries push the boundaries of what we consider habitable and challenge us to rethink where life could exist beyond Earth. In a world devoid of sunlight, some creatures have developed the ability to create their own light. This phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is one of the most magical aspects of the deep sea. It's as if the ocean has its own fireworks show, with bursts of light illuminating the darkness in a dazzling display. Bioluminescence is used for a variety of purposes in the deep sea. For some, like the anglerfish, it's a tool for hunting, luring prey close enough to be snatched by their powerful jaws. For others, like the vampire squid, it's a defense mechanism, ejecting a cloud of glowing ink to confuse predators and make a quick escape. And for species like the lanternfish, it's a way to communicate, to find mates, or to navigate the pitch-black waters. But bioluminescence is more than just a survival tactic. It's a symphony of life in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. The study of bioluminescence has already led to breakthroughs in science, such as the development of the green fluorescent protein, GFP, used in medical research to track cells and proteins. The potential applications are endless, from improving deep-sea exploration technology to creating new forms of sustainable light. The deep sea is more than just a fascinating realm of strange creatures and unexplored landscapes. It's also a vital part of Earth's ecosystem. The ocean's depths play a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate, absorbing carbon dioxide and storing heat. But this delicate balance is under threat from human activities. Deep-sea mining, driven by the demand for rare minerals used in electronics, is one of the most pressing threats. The process involves scraping the ocean floor, destroying ecosystems that have existed undisturbed for millions of years. Once these habitats are destroyed, they are unlikely to recover, leading to a loss of biodiversity that could have far-reaching consequences for the planet. Pollution is another major issue. Microplastics, chemicals, and other pollutants have been found in even the most remote parts of the ocean, affecting the food chain from the bottom up. These pollutants not only harm marine life, but also pose a risk to human health as they accumulate in the seafood we consume. But there is hope. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these fragile ecosystems, advocating for stronger regulations and the creation of marine protected areas. As individuals, we can support these efforts by reducing our plastic use, supporting sustainable seafood, and advocating for policies that protect our oceans. The health of the deep sea is intrinsically linked to the health of our planet, and we all have a role to play in preserving it. As we look to the future, the deep sea remains one of the most exciting frontiers for exploration. Advances in technology are opening up new possibilities for understanding and interacting with this mysterious world. Autonomous submersibles equipped with advanced sensors and cameras are allowing scientists to explore the ocean's depths in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. These technologies are not only helping us map the ocean floor, but also uncovering new species and ecosystems that have never been seen before. For example, the use of deep-sea drones has led to the discovery of new hydrothermal vents, teeming with life that challenges our understanding of biology. The data collected from these missions is invaluable, providing insights into everything from climate change to the origins of life on Earth. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we venture deeper into the abyss, we must do so with caution and respect. The deep sea is a fragile environment, and our actions today will have long-term impacts on its health and biodiversity. Sustainable exploration practices, coupled with strong conservation efforts, are essential if we are to protect this final frontier for future generations. The deep sea is a place of paradoxes. A world that is both ancient and ever-changing, isolated yet connected to every aspect of life on Earth. It challenges our understanding of what is possible, both in terms of biology and the very nature of life itself. As we continue to explore this enigmatic world, we are not just uncovering the secrets of the deep sea, we're also learning more about our planet and our place in the universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the abyss. If today's exploration has sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. Until our next adventure, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, the greatest mysteries lie not in the stars, but in the depths beneath our feet.